PerfectDry, spot-on drying thanks to mineral sensors. During the drying process, the mineral content of water influences residual moisture sensing and therefore has an impact on drying results, whatever the catchment area. To achieve perfect drying results in areas with water with a particularly high or very low mineral content, Miele's PerfectDry detects the mineral level and adjusts the drying cycle accordingly. In a tumble dryer without PerfectDry, laundry would come out too damp if the water it contains is particularly hard, resulting in the need for additional drying and increased energy consumption. Water with a high mineral content would be over-dried in a machine without PerfectDry and would also be unnecessarily exposed to both heat and mechanical action. In a Miele tumble dryer, PerfectDry determines the conductivity of water at the beginning of each drying cycle. If this initial conductivity reading is out of range, the electronic controls redefine the course of the current program. This ensures that laundry is gently dried without wasting electricity, irrespective of the mineral content of the water. Miele PerfectDry, spot-on drying thanks to mineral sensors.